So hey, today we're going to do an unboxing of really cool Chelsea boots. This is my first pair of Chelsea boots. Not really into a lot of boots, and it's my first pair of slip-ons. So here we go. So this is the price without or including VAT. So I was able to get a discount because I didn't have to pay VAT because I'm shipping to the US. Hey everybody. So I've done business with Bodileys a few times. I've bought some Crockett & Jones from them and had really great service. Sarah Dudley is the CEO over there, and she's corresponded with me via email a few times. Really great individual, very knowledgeable about shoes. And so I picked up a pair of their house brand and really wanted to try something totally different for me. So with that, I open the box, and what do we have? There's a bag, shoe bag, which is kind of cool. The single bag though. And let's take a look. Oh, there's a second bag. These are Bodileys, made in England, Chelsea boots. I've never had a Chelsea boot. I've never worn a Chelsea boot. I have no idea how these are going to feel. But look at that last. That is a very cool last. Okay, pull tab only on one side. If we look on the inside for where the writing is, the writing is here. Maybe we can figure out from the writing where they're made. Well, I think helps if I look at the right side of it. No, maybe not. Oh yeah, there. That looks familiar, but it's in gold. So, not sure. Gonna have to keep looking, see if I can figure it out. I don't want to hurt the shoes in order to look at the writing. So I actually just took pictures of it with my camera, and you can see that was the Bodileys. This is a Barker, and this one is a Loke. The fonts are all a little different, but those are in gold letters. This is a Cheaney, so I'm assuming it's not made by Cheaney. This is Gaziano and Girling, so I'm assuming it's not made by them. This is a John Lobb, not made by them. That's an Alfred Sargent, one that was made at the Alfred Sargent plant. That is a Trickers, so definitely not that one. This is a Crockett & Jones Hardwick. Now this is another Alfred Sargent, but that looks like it's a Crockett & Jones. That's a Church's, so also very different. And then this one is an Edward Green. So I'm going to have to say that it's probably a Loke or a Barker.